Hi, this is Jose Manuel Diaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia, and today I'm going to show you an apartment in Algiros neighborhood in Jeons Street, an apartment very close to the Polytechnical University and University of Valencia, just 5-10 minutes by bus, and it's also very close to the beach, 10 minutes more to the Malvarrosa beach, and well, it's very well connected with the rest of the city by bus and by metro. You have a metro station just in 5 minutes walking from here, and in the neighborhood you have all you need to live and enjoy Valencia. You have supermarkets, parks, and it's very close also to the Old Turia River, where you can enjoy the parks and gardens and Ciudad de las Ciencias. This apartment is very convenient for students, and well, it's a third floor with 2 elevators, has 6 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and I'm going to show you. And here we have the entrance door, and you go direct to the living area. And well, here on my right we have a 3-people sofa, an armchair, a great table with 6 chairs, and in this area you have some doors, one for a closet, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and another door for a small corridor to go outside the balcony. And here in this closet you have the first of 2 fridges with freezer, and here is the bedroom number 1. And in this bedroom you got a king size bed, it's a double bed, a desk, a chair, a wardrobe here with a mirror, and a window with a lot of natural light. Okay, so next to the bedroom number 1 we got the bedroom number 2. And here you have another double bed, a desk, a chair, a wardrobe with 3 doors, and a mirror. And here you have a glass slide door to go outside the balcony. And here is the rest of the material of the renovation of the house. This will be out from here. This is the balcony, and there you have, well, here is the natural gas water heating system, and a laundry room with a washing machine and some storage in this cabinet. Okay. And now we go inside the house by this door. This is a small corridor that gives you to the living again. And here is the main corridor, and the first door on my left is the all renovated kitchen. Where you got a microwave, an oven, some storage here, there you have mugs, shelves, smoke extractor, an electrical stove, some pots and pans, I don't know, more storage here and here, 2 sinks. There you have some drawers with the cutlery and more kitchen stuff, and all the plates and glasses all brand new. And here is the second fridge with freezer. And well, again in the corridor next door on my right is the bedroom number 3. I think this is the bigger one, where you have a double bed, a lot of shelves there, an armchair, a 3-door wardrobe, a great desk with 2 chairs, and another slide glass door for the balcony. And the next door is the bathroom number 1. It's all renovated too. Here you got a mirror, a sink, some storage under the sink, a toilet, and a great shower, a big shower. And at the end of the corridor we have this door for the bedroom number 4. With a double bed. All the mattresses are new in this house. As you see, you have the plastic here, shelves, a 3-door wardrobe, a desk, a chair, and a window with a lot of natural light. And the second bathroom. Here is the mirror that will be there. A sink, 2 drawers under the sink, toilet, and a shower. Bedroom number 5. This bedroom has this slide door wardrobe, a desk, a chair, a bed of 105 centimeters, more than one person, and a window to the patio. Okay, now we go into the last room, the bedroom number 6. Here is. You got here another single bed, a desk, a chair, a 3-door wardrobe, and another window with patio views. And well, that was all. I hope you enjoyed. It was José Manuel Díaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia. Adiós.